A case study. From Google ranking hero to zero. Once upon a time, there was a website owner named Alex who was thrilled with his website's ranking on Google. He had been working hard on his search engine optimization for months, and his efforts had finally paid off. His website was ranking high for several important keywords as well as many product names, and he was getting a lot of organic traffic. His website reviewed products for babies and young children. He and his wife Emma used their own money to purchase these products for their 3 small children, and then he wrote extensively detailed and unbiased reports about the products. Their income from this site was quickly approaching $10,000 per month, so you can imagine how devastated they were to wake up one morning and find their website had dropped significantly in the search results. The site was no longer ranking high for their keywords, and organic traffic plummeted. Alex and Emma didn't know what had happened or how to fix it. Google strikes again. Alex started doing some research and soon realized that his website had been hit by a Google algorithm update. Google's algorithm is constantly changing, and sometimes these changes can have a big impact on website rankings. Alex was determined to get his website back to the top of the search results. He started by making some changes to his website, such as improving the user experience and adding more high-quality content. He also started building backlinks to his website from other high-quality websites. It took Alex a lot of time and effort, but he was eventually able to get his website back to the top of the search results. He learned a valuable lesson about the importance of staying up to date on Google's algorithm changes and making sure their website is always providing value to its users. Here are some key takeaways from Alex and Emma's story. User experience is king or queen. Search engines, especially Google, are becoming increasingly sophisticated in understanding what users want. It's no longer just about having the most keyword-stuffed content, it's about creating a web page that's delightful to use. People are more likely to stick around on a page that's easy to navigate, loads quickly, and presents information in a clear, organized way. Think of it this way. If you walked into a cluttered, disorganized store, you'd probably turn around and leave. The same goes for websites. Features like clear navigation, filters, and multiple product options can make a huge difference in keeping users engaged and satisfied, signaling to Google that your site is valuable and deserving of a higher ranking. Give the people what they want. It's not just about your product, it's about what the user is actually searching for. If someone searches for best budget laptops, they likely want to compare options from different sellers. Including links to multiple sellers shows you understand their intent and aren't just trying to push your own product. This can boost your credibility and lead to higher rankings, as Google rewards websites that provide the most relevant and helpful information to users. User intent is your North Star. Forget about creating content just because you think it's interesting or relevant to your brand. The real question is, what are people actually searching for? Conduct keyword research, analyze search trends, and pay attention to the questions your audience is asking. By creating content that directly addresses their needs and search queries, you'll attract more targeted traffic and increase your chances of ranking higher on Google. Niche down, stand out. Trying to be everything to everyone is a recipe for mediocrity. Instead of creating generic content that appeals to a broad audience, focus on a specific niche and cater to their unique needs and interests. This targeted approach allows you to establish yourself as an authority in your chosen area and attract a loyal following of highly engaged users. Don't put all your eggs in one Google basket. Relying solely on Google for traffic is a risky strategy. Algorithm updates can happen overnight, and your rankings can plummet without warning. Diversify your traffic sources by leveraging social media, email marketing, and other channels. This ensures that even if one source dries up, you still have a steady stream of visitors coming to your website. Bottom line. When you follow these tips, you help to ensure that your website stays high in the search results, even when Google's algorithm changes.